Welcome! Today, we're diving into a fun and creative aspect of Roblox, changing your avatar. Whether you want to give your character a fresh new look or express your style, I've got you covered with an updated step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Firstly, grab your Android device and open the Roblox app. Once you're in, look for the More option located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to reveal more options. Next, you'll want to tap on Profile. This is where you can access your avatar settings. Now, look for the Edit Profile button and give that a tap. You're almost there. Find the camera icon right next to your avatar. Once you click on the camera icon, you'll be transported into a world of customization. From here, you can change various aspects of your avatar, including outfits, accessories, and more. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily update your Roblox avatar and showcase your unique personality. Have fun exploring all the customization options available.